Hi, my name is Ritu Vashisht. Welcome to Microsoft. This is part 2 of a two-part video series on Power Query. In this demonstration, we will pull data from two separate source files and use the merge function to join these datasets. Let's say, as a curriculum chair in a university, you want to do an analysis to understand the unevenness in grading patterns. You have access to anonymized student data, but student names are present in a separate file provided by a registrar's office. Let's see how Power Query can help combine these two datasets so you can have a complete view of the data and conduct analysis on it. For my example, I will pull in data from an Excel file on my computer. I have here student grade and course information in the grade table. I double-click to select it, and in the query editor that opens up, I have the ability to shape and transform my data. I can delete a column, rename columns, or split a column to better suit my needs. A cool feature here is that Power Query tracks my steps and creates a script, as you can see on the right. I can replicate the script for another data source or reverse any of the steps in case I change my mind. The data now looks ready to bring into my Excel worksheet. As each student in this dataset is only identified by an ID, it would be more meaningful if I had their names next to this information. Therefore, I am going to pull in another file that contains student names. The second file is now embedded as a new worksheet. To create the merge version of these two tables, I click the Merge button, and in the window that opens up, I simply select the two columns I wanted to match on. In this case, the student ID. It even shows me the exact number of matching rows of data between the two sets. Here it is 100% of the rows. The editor that opens up shows the merge version. I can now select the exact columns I want to bring into the merge set. I'm interested in the name and the gender. The merged dataset is now embedded as a new worksheet, and I can quickly find out the courses a student is taking and their performance in each of these courses. This concludes our demonstration on Power Query. Thank you for viewing Microsoft Power Query in Education. Here are some links if you would like additional information. Thanks for visiting Microsoft.